Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and today I'm showing you my welcome to our beehive Dollar Tree front door sign. So, of course, I've been on this wave of upcycling like old Christmas decor, kind of like shopping my own stuff. And so I wanted to get into the feeling of bees in spring and summer, even though it's kind of chilly here in New York. And so I decided to make this little bee sign for my front door, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So what you need is a piece of cardboard, and you can hand paint your letters or whatever. All I did was draw like a half-size oval on a thin piece of cardboard. This is actually the cardboard behind the letters from Target. And I cut it and shaped it. I added a little glue on the front of it just to give it traction when I started to, wrap the twine around. Now this is Dollar Tree twine, so it's not the nautical rope. This one I used the Dollar Tree, say that 5 times, the Dollar Tree twine, because it was nice and thin, and I knew I wanted the beehive to be a little 3D off the sign. Like I could have painted a beehive, but I didn't think that was going to be cute enough, so I wanted that part to be a little 3D. So all you do is basically wrap your twine around and around as neatly as possible on at least one side of the beehive, which the beehive that you show out is the one that's most important. That's the side that needs to be, kind of perfect and straight looking with the twine. See how the back of it, I have gapes and stuff in it? That's fine. Once you finish wrapping your twine, you need to just gather 3 pieces of twine around your finger to make a circle, glue it on front to make that beehive whole, and you paint it or you color it with your marker. Basically, that's how you make that beehive skep. So all you people out there trying to figure out how to make that's making a flat one, but a 3D style one. Now I took my old Christmas tree Let It Snow sign, and I took some regular acrylic paint from Dollar Tree or Michael's, one of the two. And I popped those steel letters off, and I painted it probably about 4 times. I gave it a good coat just to cover the little snowflakes that are actually on the print of the sign. And I guess, most of you have seen this. You can make this with even a piece of cardboard. You can actually do the same styling DIY. So you cover it with a couple of coats, and you want to make sure that even though the paint is covering it, you can kind of still see through it, especially just to see the like the little lines in the paper. Once you paint it, you can actually draw those lines back on, like you'll see me do here in a few seconds. And I actually drew the lines while the paint was drying. So each time I painted, I let it dry a little bit, and I took my pencil and I went over the lines to make it look like shiplap or like the farmhouse style. And I thought that was cute because Dollar Tree signs are definitely getting better. So let's see what they have in store for us soon. Hopefully we can get there. So I used the letters from Target, the Welcome to Our Wonderland, and most of these items are from the Christmas time. So make sure you shop your own stuff. Don't just go out to buy and look for stuff. Use your own items. Now I added those little bees. Those are like the candy toppers from like cupcakes and stuff. So I used those, and I actually painted over them a little bit more yellow because I wanted them to be super yellow. And you'll see that coming up in this next clip. So to make my beehive look a little bit more honeylicious, I added some hot glue gun, and I kind of dripped it over to make it look like, honey. And I painted it with some nice deep yellow paints, and I thought those came out so cute. I even added, like I said, paint to the bees just to make them a little bit more cohesive with the yellow that looked like honey. So I thought they were so cute. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I just added a little bit more embellishments, all over the hot glue that I added to make it look like honey. And there you have it. There is nothing to this. It actually really came out super quick. It was a super easy DIY too, and I thought it was super adorable. cute front porch sign, and you can add a ribbon at the top. You can, you know, make it your own and do it your way, guys. Thank you for watching and tuning in. This is Nikki here with Lifestylediyw. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and follow me on Pinterest, because I may be doing a secret giveaway on Pinterest. So if you're maybe my 900th follower on Pinterest, get it? 900th follower on Pinterest, I have a secret stash box for you with a lot of good DIY goodies in there. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.